Hi there, and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Flex Limited? This is ticker FLEX. Now, Flex has been, I don't want to do it. Flexing its strength. Okay, fine. Uh, with some really nice price action the last couple of days here. You can see how on Thursday we had a massive move right back up to the 50-day moving average. And today we closed above that 50-day moving average and did it on higher than average volume. So there's some definite strength coming into the stock. And although it is a little choppy lately, if I flip over to a weekly time frame, you can see it smooths out the volatility a little. You see how we broke out of this clear resistance zone that had been holding all year long, did it in May of this year, marched up the 8-week exponential period moving average, came back tested this breakout, and has held it with conviction. And conviction because it tested it twice and rejected that breakdown for a move back up to resistance. Now, from a weekly standpoint, I definitely think you want to watch for a move above today's or this week's intra-week high right around that 2730 level. Maybe set an alert on this right around 2730 for a continuation move, and that would bring it on the daily chart above this clear downward sloping trend line of resistance. So this is definitely a stock I want to keep an eye on into next week, just based on its relative strength in the market versus a lot of other stocks right now. So I hope that video is helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. And be sure and check out what we're doing over at StockMarketMentor.com. Click that link, take a trial, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.